data structure in Python. So we are going to talk about what is the Deque and the testing different Deque methods and how to handle the files with the Deque. So according to the Python documentation, Deque are the generalizations of stack and queue. So they are pronounced as Dask, which is a sort of double-ended queue. They are a replacement container of Python list. Deque are thread shapes and support memory efficient appends and pop-up from either side of Deque. The list is optimized for fast fixed length operation. The Deque accepts a max length argument which set the boundary of the Deque. Otherwise, Deque will grow an arbitrary size. When the bounded Deque is full and a new item added will be cause the same number of items pop up of the other end. So this is Deque. So 10, 15, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So item will be popped off when the full. So the previous item will be pop up, item will be popped out when it is full. In a general rule, if you need to fast append and fast pop, use the Deque. If you need fast random access, use the list. Let's talk a few moments and look at how you might to create a Deque. So in the Python, we have a module called in collection Deque. We import in Deque and a string. So string dot ASCII lowercase, it will generate ASCII lowercase and then converting Deque. Then I'm printing one by one. So it is printing A to Z. So here is the important Deque from the collection module. We also import a string module that actually create an instance of Deque. We need to pass through the iterable. This case we pass the string dot ASCII lowercase, which return the list of all lowercase letters with the alphabet. And finally we loop over the Deque and print the item. Similarly, we're testing a different Deque method. Collection import Deque, and here we append the bone and then left so append left side test, then rotate, so the block will become the first. So let's see the result. The first one Deque is block, we append, then we append left side the test, and then we rotate, so it's the block come from the right to left, right, rotate. Let's break this down in bit. First we append a string right and in Deque, then append a string the left side Deque. Lastly we rotate our Deque and pass by 1, which may cause the rotate one turn upright. In other words, it cause one item rotate off right, and at the auto front we can pass the negative number to make the Deque rotate to left instead. How to handle in the file? Let's finish discussion on looking the example of based on the something from the Python documentation. We finished discussion looking the example based on the Python documentation. You can also look. So here is my Python program in my computer, and then the text.txt is the file which contains some alphabetical name. So what I'm doing here, I'm importing the Deque and the get list. It will go here and call text, and max length is 5. And the file name is coming here, then it opening, and Deque we are passing Deque and n. So let's finish discussion. Look, so this is the file. Since it's 5, so the previous item will be gone, so it will keep only 5 item at maximum. So this code work much as same as Linux tail program does here. Pass the file name and our script along with the number of lines we want to return. Deque bounded what number pass as the end, which means the Deque is full when the line is read, added, and Deque, and other line are pop up, other end discarded. We will wrap up the file with the statement simple exception handler because it is really easy to pass. So malform path, this is a this cache file that doesn't exist, for example. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.